Oh no. So now I have to make a hard decision. I haven't watched this show since I was little.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Bryleigh. If you're not new here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing a King's Court with squishies. And I feel like I haven't done this in a while, but my mom says that I have done it like recently. So I'm not 100% sure. It feels like it's been forever, so I'm really excited to do this video. But before we get started, make sure you hit the red subscribe button down below and turn on my post notifications. So my mom is going to be picking out all the squishies that I'm going to have for this King's Court video, so I have no clue what squishy she's going to pick, but I do know it's not any King's Court with squishies. It's King's Court with my animal squishies. So if you don't know how King's Court works, let me explain. So my mom is going to be giving me squishies 2 at a time. Between those 2 squishies, I'm going to have to choose which one goes to the loser pile and which one goes to the next round. And there are 5 rounds. So at the end of all 5 rounds, I'm going to take my winner squishies, put them back in the bin, do it all over again until there's 1 squishy standing. And if you still don't understand, just keep watching the video and then it will make more sense. So time for round 1. Okay, so I have my unicorn squishy. I got this one a long time ago. This one's so pretty though. I love its hair. It's my favorite part about it. Oh no. Okay, so then I have my seal. I just got this one not too long ago and it's so pretty and metallic-y. I love it. Now I have to make a hard decision, which I think is funny because both of these are kind of like metallic. I am going to put this one in the winner pile and this one in the loser pile. Round 2, my Mari squishy, and this one is like a bear with ice cream on top of its head. My sheep, oh my gosh. Why do you always do this to me? You always make it so hard. So now I have to choose between these 2. And honestly, between the 2, I'm going to go with this one goes in the winner pile. Round 3. My Freddy from Five Nights at Freddy's squishy. And me and my brother love this one. Actually really surprising to be such a small squishy. And then we have Mickey Mouse. two. This one's really cute, but then this one's like really soft and slow rising. So I'm gonna go with this one in the winner pile. Round 4. My whale squishy. This one's super pretty. And then my Millie the Whale squishy. This one is not the real Millie the Whale, by the way. This one's like a knockoff version. These two, I'm going to put this one in the winner pile only because it's like got more like color on it, and this one's just like pink and then purple, and this one has more color on it, and I think it's a little more pretty than this one. Round 5, my llama corn smushy mushy squishy. I almost forgot which one this was for a minute. And then my Mimi the monkey squishy. So between these two, this is actually a really hard decision because I love both of them. I'm going to go with, I think I'm going to put the monkey in the winner pile just because I think she's like really, really cute. Here are all of the winners from battle 1. Now it is time for battle number 2. Okay, round 1, and this is where it gets hard because all your winners are what you're having to choose between, and you love them all. So we have my whale again. And I love this one. And then we have this one, which is my seal squishy. And between these two, I'm gonna go with my seal in the winner pile. Round 2, my sheep, and Mimi the monkey. So out of these two, I already know which one I'm gonna pick. I'm obviously going to pick the sheep. And this one is the lonely man standing. So he automatically goes to the next round. Round 1 for battle number 3. My sheep. And my seal. Oh. They're both so cute and really, really good. I'm gonna go with the sheep in the winner pile. And once again, he's the last man standing, so he automatically goes to the next round. Last battle, we have Freddy. He's not the last man standing this time. And then my sheep. So, out of these two, the winner is my sheep, obviously. I just can't pass this one up. This one is amazing and I love it so, so, so much. So soft, really slow rising. And this one is obviously my favorite out of my animal squishies. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm actually now going to do a YouTube shout out. Today's YouTube shout out goes to Cassie Graham, and I'm glad that you love my channel. Thank you so much. And now it is time for an Instagram shout out. This is the first time I've done an Instagram shout out in a while. But today's shout out goes to Haley Ann X, and she said, "So pretty, yes, I'm so ready for summer." Same. I cannot wait for warm weather. It is freezing outside today, which I'm very sad about. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do. My username will be right here. I post on my story. I actually post behind the scenes of me filming my YouTubes and my apps. I post really cool pictures, so make sure you follow me so you don't miss out. That's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Question of the day is gonna be a little random. My mom's actually eating chips right now, so it made me think a bit. Do you guys prefer chips and ranch or chips and salsa? I honestly like chips and ranch better than chips and salsa. I mean, I will eat chips and salsa like when we go to like the Mexican restaurant and stuff like that. But I like chips and ranch a little bit more because I feel like I eat that more than I do salsa in my chips. But that's just my opinion. Comment down below which one you do. But anyways, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to leave a comment down below and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy.